Good morning, my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss some more word problems on linear inequations. First problem goes like this. 800 liters of 40% acid solution is available. Find amount of 10% solution which is to be added with this to have the resulting mixture between 45% and 50%. I repeat, by 40% acid solution, you should understand the real meaning of it. If you are given 100 liters of acid solution, by 40% solution, 40 liters will be acid, remaining 60 liters will be water. That is the meaning of 40%. We are given 800 liters of 40% solution. I am supposed to add 10% solution with this so that the resulting mixture is between 45% and 50%. Let us try to solve this. Okay, let x liters of 10% acid solution be added with 800 liters of 40% solution to have the resulting mixture between 45% and 50%. This is my assumption. I call it as x liters. I assume it to be x liters. Now, how do I write this? Total amount available is 800 plus x. It should be between, resulting mixture should be between 45% and 50%. That is the meaning. And here I should write it as 40 by 100 of 800 plus 10 by x by 100 of 10% or 10 by 100 of x. Either way you can write, both are correct, both will be the same anyway. Okay, x liters of 10% solution. Okay, I will be able to cancel 100 everywhere. Now multiply this inside. 36,000 plus 45x less than, just listen carefully, is it correct or not? 8 5s are 40, 32 plus 4 36. 36,000 plus 45x less than 32,000 plus 10x, and 32,000 plus 10x less than 40,000 plus 50x. Now this will automatically imply you (45x minus 10x less than minus 4,000). I think this is not possible anyway. Not possible. Okay, let me try whether this is meaningful or not. Minus 8,000 less than 40x. This is also not possible. Okay, therefore I come to the conclusion, I should not come to the conclusion question is wrong. Therefore, however amount of 10% solution is added, it will never be between 45% and 50%. That is the meaning. it will never be, the resulting mixture will never be between 40, because I can't have my value of x to be negative. I can't think of my value of x to be negative. I can't think of it to be negative. Okay, here x is greater than some negative value, x is less than some negative value. It has to be a positive quantity always. I repeat once again, 800 liters of 40% acid solution is available. Find the amount of 10% solution is to be added with this to have the resulting mixture to be between 45% and 50%. Let x liters of 10% acid solution be added with 800 liters of 40% solution to have the resulting mixture between 45% and 50%. Now 45 by 100 of 800 plus x less than 40 by 100 of 800 plus 10 by 100 of x less than 50 by 100 of 800 plus x. So here the multiplication tells you 8 5s are 40, 32 plus 4 36, 36,000 plus 45x less than 32,000 plus 10x, 32,000 plus 10x less than 40,000 plus 50x. Therefore 45x minus 10x less than minus 4,000 minus 8,000 less than 40x. Here you are getting a negative value, below some negative value you are getting, below greater than some negative value you are given. Therefore it is not at all possible to have the resulting mixture to be between 45% and 50%. I should not come to the conclusion the question is wrong. Question is not wrong. Whatever may be the amount of 10% acid solution is being added, it will never come between 45% and 50%. That is the final conclusion I should give. I should not panic and I should not come to the conclusion that the question is wrong. Question is not at all wrong. I think such a question can be even given in any competitive examinations also. Okay, one of the options A, B, C, D, one of the options will be not possible. For not possible will be the final answer. I hope it is clear to everybody. Let it be. Next sum. 1000 liters of 30% acid solution is available. Find the amount of water to be added with this for the resulting mixture to be between 20% and 25%. Here it will get reduced. I repeat, you are given 30% of 1000 liters available. You are given, it is available with us. Some amount of water is being added and I am supposed to find out the amount of water to be added for the resulting mixture to have acid solution between 20% and 25%. Let x liters of water be added. X liters of water be added. X liters of water be added with 1000 liters of 30% acid solution for the resulting mixture to be between 20% and 25%. Therefore, 20% of 1000 plus x less than 30% of 1000 plus 0% of x less than 25% of 1000 plus x. This is the way you are supposed to write down. Everywhere I can cancel out 100. Here only water is being added. Therefore, amount of percentage of acid content there is 0. Now 20,000 plus 20x less than 30,000 and 30,000 less than 25,000 plus 25x, which will imply you 20x less than 10,000 and 5,000 less than 25x, which implies x less than 5,000 and x greater than 250. Am I right? 200, sorry, not 250, 200. 225s are 50, two more zeros, 200. Combining these two, I end up with 200 less than x less than 500 here. Sorry, I made a mistake again. 500 here, not 5,000. One zero gets cancelled. 500. Therefore, how do you give the conclusion? There is no space here. Therefore, I'll just dictate the amount of water to be added with 1000 liters of 30% solution should be between 200 liters and 500 liters for the resulting mixture to be between 20% and 25%. I repeat, that x liters of water be added with 1000 liters of 30% acid solution for the resulting mixture to be between 20% and 25%. Total amount available is 1000 plus x. Now for 20 by 100 of 1000 plus x less than 30 by 100 of 1000 plus 0 by 100 of x less than 25 by 100 of 1000 plus x. This is the way you are supposed to write the inequation anyway. Here I write 0% because only water is being added, therefore amount of acid content is 0. Cancel 100 everywhere. 20 into 1000 becomes 20,000 plus 20 into x is 20x less than 30,000 and 30,000 less than 25,000 plus 25x. 20x less than 10,000. 30,000 minus 20,000 and 10,000 and 30,000 minus 25,000 5,000 less than 25x. X less than 500, sorry, by mistake I wrote it as 5,000. 500, earlier I wrote it as 500, I corrected anyway. X less than 500 and x greater than 200. 225s are 50. Therefore, x is between 200 and 500. Therefore, how do you give the conclusion? Therefore, amount of water to be added with 1000 liters of 30% acid solution should be between 200 liters and 500 liters for the resulting mixture to be between 20% and 25%. The resulting mixture should be between 20% and 25%. That is the final answer you are supposed to anyway remember. That is the final answer you are supposed to remember. Okay. Only in the previous case, I was getting my value of x between two negative values. Quantity being added should be definitely, it can be even 0 liters. There is nothing wrong in it. Okay. Between 0 liter and something you can get, but you should not get a negative value. For only in the previous case, I should not come to the conclusion the question is wrong, or I should not panic. I should give the answer in such a way that such a thing is not possible. Okay, such a case is not possible. Okay, that is the conclusion I am supposed to give. If it is a problem on MCQ, one solution there will be given as not possible. Not possible will be the final answer in that particular case as far as the previous sum is considered. Here, I am able to get a reasonable value, reasonable positive value. The water being added should be between 200 liters and 500 liters. Okay, here the values are excluded. Betweenness doesn't include the end values. Anyway, share the video with your friends and advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Subscription has no charges. Thank you students for patient watching. I hope it's very useful to everybody.